Toby, what are you doing?
Midnight, one more night without sleeping. I'm watching till that morning comes creeping. Green door, what's that secret you keep? There's an old piano and they play guitar behind the green door. Don't you know what they're doing about the love alone behind the green door? Wish they let me in so I could find out what behind the green door.
That's the door touched up. Well, obviously the grey bits will be green eventually when that's dry. Put the doors back on.
Wondering just what's going on in there.
Yep, I did need to dig a bit more of it up, but there's the pipe. I can cut that pipe a bit later.